Hello, it's Tuesday and it is April 28th. We are going to be working on pages 203 and 204 today. Please get your paper and your pencil and let's get ready to go. All right, so number 1 says, circle the 2 pictures in each row whose names begin with the same special sound. Okay, so we may have special sounds. We may have blends or we may have digraphs. Okay, so first we have chicks. So I know, oh, I don't want that big green. Let me switch to something a little more manageable. For some reason I started out with a crayon and then I was like, I shouldn't be writing with a crayon. I should be writing with a pencil. Chick, I have the ch. Here I have a chimney that also has the ch sound made by the ch. And then I have a thumb, which is made with the th. These are all digraphs, not special sounds in this row. These are all digraphs. So it says circle the 2 pictures in each row that have the same sound. Well, chick and chimney both have the ch at the beginning. All right. Next, I have a shirt, which has the digraph sh that says shh. Then I have snail, which is a blend. The difference between a blend and a digraph is a digraph has 2 letters that make a new sound, like sh. It says shh, and the sn is a blend because both consonants still say their sound. You can still hear the s and the n in sn, sn. It's just that they blend together. And then I also have a shoe. Okay, so my 2 matchy-matchies are shirt and shoe. Don't forget to wear your shirt and shoes. Okay, next I have spider, which begins with the blend sp. You hear the s and the p, sp. Then I have snake, sn. That's another blend. And then I have snowman. I love snow. Snake and snowman are the 2 that match in this row. They both begin with the SN sound. Okay. Now it says, choose the special sound you hear at the beginning of each word and write it in the blank. All right. So they want me to figure out what blend each of these begin with. So this first one looks to me like a glove. Glove, I hear the gl. That sound is made by a G and an L. Okay. So I can't use that one again. And then I have a crown, crown, cr, cr. That's made by the blend C-R. Okay? So, flip your page over and let's do the back side. All right, it says complete the sentence using all the words in the box. So, they've started each sentence and then I have to use the words in the colored boxes to finish it up. So this first one, I'm going to mark my vowels to help me read. This middle word has the OU, ow. Wipe your feet. Mat on the, what should it be? Mat on the, no. It should be on the mat. Yes, please wipe your feet on the mat. Better yet, leave your shoes in the garage. That's the best choice. All right, this one, there's that great sight word that you should all know as soon as you see it. The next word is game. The game, there's another sight word, is in the box. Guess what? That totally makes sense. I'm not going to mess with that. I think they got it this time. In the box. The game is in the box. Do I need to put a period at the end? No, because they already did it for me. Thank you. Okay, now I have this long word, okay? It's still technically a magic E, even though it has a S on the end, because it's just plural. James can bike his ride. So, does that make sense? No. James can bike his ride. I don't think I'd want to say that. How about James can ride his bike. I love riding my bike. It's like my favorite thing to do. But it's got to get a little bit nicer, hopefully. And then it can just ride like the wind. Okay, James can ride his bike. Make sure you finish your entire page neatly and completely with your best penmanship. Just because I'm not there to see it in person doesn't mean you should go sloppy joppy on me. Make it look pretty. Thank you. Have a great day.